How to buy gift card at Walmart. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can buy gift card at Walmart. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. To buy the gift card at Walmart, you can simply use Walmart application or you can also use the website. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do it by simply using website. So firstly, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. As you can see, I have already searched for walmart.com and I'm already on the official page of Walmart. So once you search for it, your interface will be also looking like this on your screen. Now here on this page, you can see that three dash line on the top left corner. Click on it. Now here you will see different options on your screen. Among them, click on services option. Now under the all services, here you will see registry, list and gifts option. Click on it. Once you are here, again click on second option, gift cards. Wait for a while and here you can see different options to buy gift card at Walmart. Now finally here you can select the gift card that you want to buy on Walmart. Simply click on the add option beside the item you want to purchase, and with that you will be able to buy gift card at Walmart. So that's all in this very easy and simple way you can buy gift card at Walmart. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.